Etonimosi, Etonimosi. Hey, waya pepete ni re UK wagade muda 24 bits on Mwikuri. 24 bits Mwikuri, 24 bits. Oh yeah. Hey, waya pepete ni silimati tiredo. Waya ni gbegba silimado ya. Ya pepete UK. Oh Jesus. Anyway, whatever thing they do, while I get what of we am with Toto, what of we are so here, what of we are go, you want to hide dinner, here no there, or if I walk out there, the way of Yao, the Adam Logo one of UK, even way one of UK, or the woman oracle of Ereva, Eunice. Or maybe or Ereva, if you have to whatever one like here, one like or your way to break or UK. The audio way of believing. Hey, don't need to hide it. You know that West Osasui.
Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you, my darling people, my correct people. This video today now about our Edo actor we just the happy, the jolly for this travel way, the Bueji and Unisom Morege and Osasuyi West, where they take come, you know, and I know say many people without the fee say they're not go fit enter Europe, they're not go fit come Jan, but God can't do them, they can finally come. So may we congratulate 24 bits and for him to bring them, it's not really easy because it can't just be like say people without they forget our do address them, you know, but thank God say in can see make sure say in try to they bring all of them one by one, you understand. And so I am so happy, really. I am so really happy. I'm overwhelmed. But what you going they make me the verse most more now be say this one will be say the Boeji can they say maybe people know they cut the video go they put for YouTube and it say they don't want them like that. The Boeji, my brother, everybody love you, just hide yourself, really. Like this one where you want start, so you're not just good at all. People they carry the video to say they promote you now, so that make people they see you now, make everybody they see. Not be everybody they Facebook. Everyone to want to know understand. Some people they YouTube. You understand? So through that YouTube, they go still see the video. Maybe people will never buy ticket where they UK now go see and say, they UK, you see all of them. You understand? They will still come. Even some people want to even support you. Maybe they want to even say give you a geshenk like money, gift. But if you not can't drive people now, say maybe people don't put the video again for you to be get a bill. You understand? Well, how much they want use that make? How much on a video they give person? How many views they give person? So all those kind complain when I want to start now not good. Now let you need some more rigging. I really talk well. You understand? Now she really talk well like a mother. You understand? Would they promote you now? Would they publish and make people say no? Not be say we just they put them for there say because of one change or one make inside. No. You understand the boy? So may you stop all those things. No, you're not even supposed to even talk for all those kind of things self. You're not even supposed at all. You understand? If you're going to do this kind of thing, you scare people away from you. You understand? So everybody just love, everybody just they happy, say you not come. I am so happy. Because people will say you don't get passport, say you don't go feel come. But today now you come. So we they happy. But if you can't do this kind of thing now, people will call the verse. See what mama will take talk.
And even if you are promoter, let them do it for him. Stay away. Because another Facebook now, no video man, that man will not report them. It will not give them strike. You guys know that. And now what Facebook now, no video piani. Or piani reporting here. But when you care about your report you are. So I see a Jiava, near to be a promoted me. Yeah, when you get the Malakek me. Why promoted Buwa? And when you make Dana, you can't move away. And the way of your to do no time, or wouldn't why if you video why am I YouTube? I have a fear and I'm more YouTube and why remember what if you say. So if you don't want them to give you strike on your YouTube channel or report your Facebook page, stay away from their content. When you have to be a promoted Buwa. If you are not contact you, let them put it in writing. And you send you an email, you have that proof, then they have to pay for your service. Yeah, paying with that is the only way they will, appreciate your work. You understand? Well, help promote any event, you know, radio station, television station, you pay for it. You don't get it for free. I maybe man, I love him. That is what people do. You can me on YouTube. How much are they making? Okay, if you do when near, what the hell? You know, do you come to abroad every week or every month? Once in a while, they are really love work. They decide to share your video. Maybe a part whenever we crack a joke in here, if you want it. Maybe I wear a kill now. You know, they remember your joke. They decided to go back to that video. Just, you know, keep watching it. You know, the money I watch, what's wrong with people these days?
That is
the love of money. You guys are something else. You know, ultimately, we want to follow at that time. I don't like Malak Egbe really on it. No, I like simple, easygoing people. When you want to take a life you wear, you want to work and say, I know, there is nothing to it. When I want to JJ body, post no more like you're going to get a warrior. Understand? Not but no, why you should leave them alone. Let them share themselves out. Let them promote themselves the way
that's what we will do, really.
Leave them alone.
Go and remove their video.
Man, they go your time. Why you block a video? You should stay clear from their videos. Let them do it themselves. You understand? So God who made me. That platform made people freedom movement in me. We parent me go analyze it. Any other way video, I have never sat myself down and listened to whatever they got to say or do. Because my mind, zero, you know. If I see why will you give somebody a strike one money share video? What the hell is that? What the hell is that? I just, you know, no.
Wow. Now what for the boy?
He's doing whatever he's doing.
Now what for?
That got nothing to do with. But when you're Jesus president, I really don't care. You understand? So I know. So the boy of young was a video and you should leave their video from them. Was here, I don't care to know. I don't care. You understand? So video why say ajinya ba who why fia wa say ajinya ba do wa work wa gunya show direct wa fi work wa fia when the sister wouldn't why fia ya go wa fia leave it there when you are to be promoting being
so
leave them alone you know. I just don't like people with such character and attitude towards money.
Now, truth, Mama will take a talk. Mona not help them again. Mona not promote them again. Mona not share their video again because may they promote themselves by themselves. So the boy, you thank you for telling us. We'll go remove the videos. Thank you. We'll be the promoter now. You know. So okay, my darling people. Anything wanna think about the video? Mona leave on a comment. Bye.
Etonimosi. Hey, waya pevete ni re UK wagade muda 24 bits on Mwikuri. 24 bits Mwikuri. 24 bits. Oh yeah. Hey, waya pevete ni silima titi redo. Hey, waya ni gbegbe silima do ya. Hey, ya pevete re UK. Oh Jesus. Anyway, whatever thing they do, while I get what of we are with Toto, what of we are so nearly, what of we are go, you want to hide them, here no there, or they walk out there, the way of Yao, the Adam Logo 1 of UK, even you one of UK, or the woman oracle of Erewa, Eunice. Or maybe or Erewa, if you have to whatever one ladia, one laganda, or your way to go or UK. The audio way of believing. Hey, don't need to hide it. You know that West or Sasui or Swear one or UK. Whatever one ladia. What do we have go? What do we have so maybe? Whatever one ladia. Friday 10th December 2021. Here, Nothing. Oh yeah. Whatever way you have what to beg here. What do we have go? I got what or one the all time one where it would be. We don't what do we have go? Liverpool, oh yeah. On the 11th December. Saturday 2021. Here what Liverpool say. Hey, if you do why whatever people what do we have go? What we are so heavy. What do we have go? What do go here? Ruda, Inna, many of success medu. ẹ̀gẹ̀ ní ẹ̀kẹ́ ayé ẹ̀yìn àjìnà ọmọ yẹ ọ̀dì 12 in raw ẹ̀dọ́dọ̀ yà yẹ Scotland Glasgow yẹ Scotland ẹ̀dọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀yìn àjìnà wọ́n yà tẹ̀tẹ̀ wọ́n yìí là yẹ wọ́n tó gbé àgọ̀gọ̀ wọ́n tó gbé àmùgbé gùtò wọ́n sọ ṣègbè yà mà wọ́n gbé èyàn gbé ròrí yà ìrí ẹ̀dọ̀ wọ́n láwọ̀gbọ̀ wọ́n àwòye nìyà wọ́n gbé àgọ̀gọ̀ ìrí ẹ̀dọ̀ nìrísì wọ́n yà fẹ́fẹ́ ilé UK ilé ìbò ilé London wọ́n yà fẹ́fẹ́ wọ́n gbé àgọ̀gọ̀ wọ́n wẹ́sẹ̀ 24 bit oyè ó swẹ́ ó swẹ́ ó swẹ́ ó swẹ́ one.
Ni mo se